Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services 30410. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services is: describe the function of route maps in Cisco routing configurations and how are they used for route manipulation and policy-based routing. Your answer should be: route maps are a flexible tool in Cisco routing configurations used for route manipulation and policy-based routing. They allow network administrators to define conditions and actions to match and modify route attributes such as next hop addresses, metrics, and route tags. Route maps are commonly used to implement route filtering, route redistribution, route tagging, and traffic policy enforcement based on specific criteria or policies defined by the network administrator. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of VRRP, that is Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol, and its role in providing high availability and fault tolerance in enterprise networks. Your answer should be: VRRP, Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol, is a network protocol used to provide high availability and fault tolerance by allowing multiple routers to act as a single virtual router. One router is elected as the master router handling traffic forwarding, while the remaining routers act as backup routers, ready to take over if the master router fails. VRRP ensures seamless failover and continuous network operation by dynamically transferring the virtual IP address from the failed master router to the backup router. Our next interview question is: what are some common methods for optimizing OSPF routing performance and scalability in large scale enterprise networks? Your answer should be: some common methods for optimizing OSPF routing performance and scalability include: first point, implementing OSPF route summarization and area hierarchy to reduce the size of the OSPF routing table. Next point is using OSPF stub areas and OSPF not so stubby areas NSSAs to reduce LSDB link state database size and improve routing efficiency. Next point is configuring OSPF fast hello timers and OSPF hello and dead intervals to minimize convergence time and improve network responsiveness. Next point is deploying OSPF network types such as point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, and broadcast to optimize OSPF neighbor relationships and routing updates. Our next interview question is: describe the purpose of policy-based routing (PBR) in enterprise networks and how is it implemented to control the flow of traffic based on defined policies. Your answer should be: Policy-based routing (PBR) is a feature in Cisco routers used to control the flow of traffic based on defined policies or criteria, such as source IP address, destination IP address, or packet attributes. PBR allows network administrators to define routing policies using access control lists, ACLs, or route maps to redirect traffic along specific paths or to specific next hop addresses based on policy requirements. PBR is commonly used for traffic engineering, load balancing, and implementing network security policies. If you are preparing for any Cisco based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.